Roasted eel production line is a pretreatment line for processing roasted eel. First, the material eel is transported into skin roasting part for skin burning. Before the eel is transported into the chamber, when cut will spread the sauce evenly on the surface of the eel. Skin roasting part, deep roasting part, and cattail burning part is equipped with gas burner for roasting the material. When the eel finish deep roasting, it will be transported into the steaming cooker part. There are steaming pipes connected under the steaming chamber. After the eel is pre-treated, its mucus is gelatinous. It will be sent into cattail burning part, which can increase the production rate of the product after grilling. The cattail burning part consists of roasting chamber and sauce dip tank. Finally, the eel will be transported into spiral egg freezer for quick freezing.